This is going to be a lake test run for Restore number 76. It's a 1956 7.5 horsepower Johnson. Here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Well, she's on the 14-foot Johnny boat, ready to go take a spin in the bayou. That's my Restore number 76. The 1956 7.5. She's a beauty. We are at lovely Lake Martin in South Louisiana. We're going to go for a lake test run on Restore number 76. 1956, 7.5 horsepower Johnson. Let's see what she can do. So here we are in Lake Martin in South Louisiana, running Restore number 76, which is a 1956 7.5 horsepower Johnson. Pushing my John boat here about 10 miles an hour. Let's give her a run. Here we go. She's a runner. Running in amongst these beautiful cypress trees on a cloudy February morning. What the heck is that hood rattle all about? I mean, she runs great. Let's see what's going on underneath here. Oh. I see what it is. We're missing some rubber grommets that fit into right here. That's the hood rattle. T-Mike's gonna fix that. Right. So T-Mike dug into his part supply and found a couple of these rubber cushions, and there's a bolt missing on this side. So I found the right size bolt. And voila. And that solved that problem. That hood is snug now. She's good to go. What a beauty. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I promise to do weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.